1-inch sensor, 2-inch OLED rotatable touchscreen, 3-axis mechanical gimbal, fantastic piece of camera technology. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel for the most relaxing watch reviews on YouTube. So we love both watches and tools of photography over here. So checking in with a different unboxing today with the pickup of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 gimbal camera. Of course I have to start off with a quick wristwatch check. Of course wearing the namesake Seiko Cocktail Time OG SARB 065. So yeah, there's a lot of unboxings and discussion of the Creator combo with all its accessories, but hardly any for the standard combo. So I wanted to throw in a shout out for that, but also some of my thoughts and impressions of why I went for this set instead of the Creators pack, and more from a beginner's perspective. So although I'd also been dazzled by the Creator combo initially, the price is substantially higher. So I think in US it's around $150, in Australia around $300 more. So I thought to myself, what's the core reason for wanting the Osmo Pocket? And of course that's the functionality. So a sleek, portable, high quality travel camera to record memories and clips. And you can do all of that with the standard set. So obviously it has the gimbal and it has the same stock battery, 1300 milliamp hour. So yeah, let's have a quick unboxing and see what comes in the box itself. So of course we have the gimbal itself. Little on the heavier side compared to the Pocket 2, but of course quite lighter compared to a DSLR or mirrorless camera, such as the Lumix, which I usually use. Nice little handheld device. Feels very well constructed. Comes in a nice plastic hard case with a bit of a slot for the wide-angle lens and any ProMist filter. I think the wide-angle lens comes in the Creator kit. What else do we have? Instruction manual, Mimo app connection, just some other paraphernalia. So here we have kind of the additional cables. So USB-C to USB-C for data transfer. Wrist strap and the additional extension to add has a 1/4-inch thread, so we're able to stand the Pocket on a tripod, but it also extends the USB-C connection. Nice. So there you go, standard kit itself. You know, we have the main thing, which is the gimbal. For sure, if I was looking to record longer walking videos, you know, such as cool ones, such as Action Kid in New York City over there, or vlogs or interviews, I'll definitely opt for the Creator combo. Definitely due to the value of picking up the accessories that come with that, so the wireless mic, the battery handle, the tripod as well, as a pack rather than individually, which end up costing more. But also there's aftermarket options for those kind of things, especially the tripod, different charging options for the battery, so I'm not too bothered about that. But definitely super excited to test out the videography, but also the face tracking and motion lap technologies that this has. The 3-axis gimbal is going to be buttery smooth for the footage, so even in the most dynamic environments. So it has a 4K resolution, and improved low light capabilities compared to the Osmo 2 and 1, of course. So this should further elevate the filming experience. It's definitely a game changer for anyone interested in capturing all those moments. And of course it's called the Pocket because you can pull it out of your pocket or a small bag. It is that compact and portable itself. So yeah, that's it for now, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll check in with a follow-up video with some test footage. If I get a chance this afternoon, I'll definitely add it to the end of this quick unboxing. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming content. And thanks for watching. Bye YouTube.